Sunrise Boss Production.
Walk one now. Right now in the evening, no, sir. Yeah, so I attitude out on the road they are walking. So you know, so more go out there go see me can find some ackee cars. I want feel like I eat some ackee and starfish with boiled dumpling way. Maybe yam or boiled breadfruit with boiled banana. So I dey on the only thing I know, yeah, man, in a real life. For mango drop off a tree and boil whole heap. The mango peeps, mango they all bout. Boat mango there. Yeah, man, in real life. But them are just some local mango. In Jamaica we call them stringy, but I think the right name to them are earring mango because them full of ear. In a real life. Yeah, man, so right now I go down the car, drive out on the road and check out the ackee tree and see what I can find. If I find ackee, food I have to cook. Or if I don't find a ackee peeps, I don't know, say food I have to cook. If I just fry up the salt mackerel it alone, cause you don't know, say you boy salt mackerel, if I just fry up the saltfish alone, because you don't know, say me have a saltfish already in a real life. So jump in my car now in a most hot. I don't know in a most hot. Yeah. So I put on the seatbelt, but the bus a reverse first. You know what I mean? So catch me on me there when we reach out to the ackee tree peeps. Yeah, man. Catch me when we reach out to the ackee tree. Yes, I not only ackee walking up peeps. I plant and walk on breadfruit walk, but I don't come here to look plant and breadfruit. I come here to look ackee. Whole heap of ackee up there, man. So I go borrow a stick. See? Planting the all board. So yard man style, you know, say I go borrow a stick, cause so we do it. You can't let me long bamboo. Borrow a bamboo, you know, sir. And I give it Mitchy boy. Yeah, I think him have a bamboo with a hookah. Yo, a banana here, so start ripe on one finger, ripe up there. I don't think you can see it, but the banana there, I'm on a finger ripe up there. You come like him a go for. Come on. Go feed bamboo. Feed bamboo where me have one hook on it, so I can turn a gun and jog down the ackee them instead of go up on the tree. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, but people where jog them down, all the shut up one with you know, nice. Look. A skillness, you know, all of them are shut up. Yeah, so you can't eat them. And them, you know, take them and throw them all one side. Because I don't want them mix up in my own. Although I not go pick no shut up one. But I don't want them mix up in my own. So them I can take them and throw all the tree root. Because them still good, you know. But you don't have to open them. You have to put them down and make them open. Yeah, man. See, that's my tear down a big old tree limb. But then, I want to see it, eh? Them I want them I want. Walk one. Go through and pick some here now. So now wait for the boss to forward with the stick. Some forward with the stick. You know what time it is. Yeah, man, pick some of that. Some hot. Yeah, man. See it there? I get this stick. Gone a tree, you know. Yeah, man. See, you stick the long up in a tree. So as soon as I don't pick them, I make a saw go on. But me there, I pick. Right. Pick couple. Go through and pick them up. Yeah, just lean it up back in a tree. No, yeah, man. Me not left, man. Look on them peeps. I keep them pretty in my bag. Yeah. I'm gonna go over and now let me take them out of the shell. But for now, then I shell look on them pretty. Maybe one banana around the sun. Or any hand.
I want to take off after the
You not buy?
Yeah, man, so now find out take off 3 hands.
See ticker.
Banana in a pool.
Eh?
Banana in a pool.
And see it, get 2 and a banana too, you know. Come from a farm. Yeah, man. So I cook them here, you know. 1 piece of yam. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Catch me when me there in the kitchen, I go clean out the ackee them and make you see how them look active. Yeah, man. They take out the ackee them from out of the shell. Yeah, man, see there. Then they in the shell. You don't know. You gotta take them out. The only part is them do still, you know. But you do things, you see there. Take them out. So this now have no use. I go through with that. So I just go through here now and take them out of the pod. Then I have to cut off the head of them, is it? Yeah, man, the black stuff up on the top. These are the ackee head. I don't want this. So I go take it off. So as soon as I'm done, I make you see what I go on. But for right now, they just take them out of the pod. Whole heap of ackee. Pretty. Yeah, see there now, so as soon as I get rid of the head from out of the ackee, you have to cut it out. Yeah, man, yardman style, and clean out the ackee. So you know, say ackee ready and nice when you cook, cause you clean it out. Yeah, man. So the whole of this are food. Yeah, man, the whole of this are food. Nice. So if you just spend time, cut off the head, clean it out, and dash where the head is it. So whenever I'm there in the pot up boil, you know, so me make you see how that look. See it? Yeah, man. I'm done clean out. Ready, them are ready for cook now, you know. Ackee. And good old ackee peeps. See that breeze a blow. Flour blow type pan. Yes, actually you know so this you know some white flour with cornmeal and little salt. So you know so just mix it together. Now the breeze a blow peep and to move from the direction. Breeze a blow through the window, is it? Yeah, man. So after you mix it around, you know say you go say you know and throw some water and continue mix. Yeah, man, you have to throw in water. You don't want to throw too much, you know. Okay, if you throw too much water, you're going to spoil the flour. Yeah, so you go through, you know, and use your hand and knead it up. So you can get the dumpling to boil. Yeah, man, so the flour with the cornmeal. Yes. Is it? So look. So you know say it want more water. So you go through again and you throw in water. Yeah, and remember you gotta throw water little. So you must spoil it. So now go through and continue throwing water and do this till it come out like how you want it. You understand? You want it look when you're done. Need it. So you know, so this is now ready to make my dumpling. So I'm going to put it on the pot with some water, and as soon as it start boil up, you know, so I'm going to make the dumpling them and throw in the pot. Over here saw the ackee. So you know, so the pot up on the fire. As soon as it start boil up, I'm going to throw in the ackee. Ackee and saltfish. So I have the saltfish in the pot right now. I scald off. So whenever it's scald off, I'm just going to throw in the ackee. Yeah man. And boil off the ackee, then you know, so I got to fry it up with some like onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, tomato. Whatever seasoning you have in the kitchen, you can use it. So you know, say that's gonna be it, peeps. Yeah man, so this done. So I'm gonna put on the pot here now and light the fire. So anytime you see back, this is now the pot must have bubble. I'm gonna make some dumpling, put in the pot. And the ackee meat for going in the pot, so check if the pot start boil up here now. Yeah, right now I'm there on the breadfruit tree. Want a breadfruit for boil here now. So you know the thing set. Look at boiling breadfruit. Yeah man, so one here fresh pan the tree. Yeah man, see him? Pretty and nice. Yeah man. Nice boiling breadfruit, so I pick him. Yes. So you know, so I have this to peel off and put in a pot too. Yeah man, pretty done. Sunrise production man. Nice boiling breadfruit. So when I peel it off and them thing there, make you see her look funny. Pretty. Alright, see that? Saltfish up on the fire in a piece. You know, say saltfish are boil off. Forget out the salt out of it. So you know, say when the salt come out of it, it's not salt again, but the saltfish is very salt, so you gotta boil it to get out the salt. You know, say over here, so at the pot this where the dumpling and the banana and the breadfruit are go cooking now. So I wait upon this to start boil up. But right now, see it there, like the steam come out of it, so it looks good. So now I take out the saltfish from out of the pot here and put it in some cool water so we can get it to cool off and scale it off and all of them things there. So whenever you see the saltfish again, you know I pick up. I go pick it up fine. We do the ackee and saltfish. And on the same pot I go cook the ackee now. So I go line up here now, take out the saltfish, throw in the ackee and make you see how that look. Fully active, you know, yardman style. Now you just roll them in a yarn and press them out. Yeah man. Just like that. Put them in the pot. Yeah man, so you know I go through. Make me dumpling them. Put them in the pot, peeps. Now I make no big ugly dumpling, you know. Yeah man, just make some nice little round dumpling. Yeah man. Now I make no big one like on a work site with the pan. When I do on work site, you make some big dumpling. But when you do your look cooking at home, I cook your local dinner and stuff. You know what time it is. You just make your dumpling them small. So there I put them in the pot. Dumpling them a bubble. So I just give them a little stir. Yeah, and then you cover that. Over here, so ackee them this ackee them a cook. Good, full of steam. So you know, so whenever the ackee them done cook, you have to go fry them up. You know what I mean? So let them go and cook. You don't want to stir them too much. Yeah, see, this are the whole breadfruit, bust in half. Yeah man, I go use piece. No, so you have to peel it off to get the breadfruit. Yeah man, the part where you want to cook, you have to cut out the middle and peel it. Yeah man. So see, this is what I'm gonna eat. Breadfruit that go over there. So look, you have to cut out the middle. Cut it to a size you want it. Then you peel it. Dumpling, and then I pot some. I put in the breadfruit. Then I put in the banana last. Put in the breadfruit. Then in the pot here now. Yes, sir. See that? Breadfruit there in the pot. Peel the banana here now and put in the banana. Yeah man. Pot a boil up. Yes sir, looking good. So now peel the banana them already. Put them in the pot here now. And then I have nothing more to go in this pot here you know. Yeah man, I don't have any banana and the breadfruit and the dumpling. So the only thing left for me do, I store this pot here my peeps. Yeah man. I keep them done cook, so right now I drain off the water from off of them so I can start fry them up here now. Yeah man, the saltfish bone. See, all of them I'm going to use, you know, so onion, garlic, scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, okra. You can use whatever seasoning you have, you know, but them I'm going to use now to fry up the ackee. Yeah man. I love me our at. Smells so good. Smelling so good, you know, everything I fry out, you know, the saltfish, the onion, the garlic, the scallion, the thyme, the pepper, the tomato, yo, everything I fry out, you know, looking nice, smelling nice, also gonna taste nice. Look at that peeps, pretty and nice and lovely, you know, so I'm gonna chew in the ackee, you know. Yeah man, that is it. Now I'm throwing the ackee. You know what you're gonna do now? You're gonna stir the pot, peeps. Yeah man. You're gonna stir it and stir and stir it. So you want all of them seasoned if you go over your ackee, you see it, the scallion, the thyme, the okra, all of them. Then after you're done stir it, you're gonna throw the black pepper. Yeah man. Black pepper make the ackee look good, taste nice. Yeah man, you gotta put some black pepper over the ackee, peeps. If you cook ackee, yeah man, you gotta use some black pepper. You don't want a lot, you know what I mean? Cause them say black pepper no good for you, you know what I mean? So you gotta use a little, but look at it. Pretty and lovely and nice. Yeah, look on the ackee and saltfish, peeps. Final touch this, you know. Pretty. Yeah man, saltfish and ackee. Sunrise production. quick one. Over there, so you know how the dumpling pot this with some boiled corn and dumpling and banana, all of them there you see. Yeah man, quick one. Yeah, pot them over there. Bubble up. Yeah, one place I get dark you know. But me there me lime tree. The man want to mix some lemonade juice. So I see me can find a fit lime. Mix some lemonade. Because you know say food done cook already you know. So I just want some juice you know. Yeah man. I look for fit lime. Whole heap of lime the fire but one fit one. It's not too fit but it can go on. Two of them good enough. Mix some lemonade. Yeah man. Pick one of them one. Think more on the one. Yeah. So I'm gonna make some juice you know, lemonade. Yes. Look at that now, babes. In a real life lemonade this you know. I'm on lemonade juice. Yes, so you don't know the ackee and saltfish with the banana and breadfruit and sweet corn with the dumpling. Finger licking good. So I go through you now and full jar this. So do the right thing. Like up the video. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Food ready. You're nice enough people when you can cook. Enjoy your food while you cook. Banana soft and nice. Nice. Sleep done. Come like the smell of the rat peach. And take one heap of banana and less dumpling. Because my man tell me say that boiled banana they have bananas. And when it's soft, but here we can crush it. Crush it in the ackee. Look at that. Yeah man, crush it in the ackee. And do this. Nice. Here's what I want the breadfruit. Breadfruit also have a knife. I know it have a knife. Good old lemonade. Wow. So you make lemonade and you make it the right way. First couple you put on your head. Yeah, go done it. Because it's nice and it's like I want to take on a cup of it. Yeah, nice. But you see, I'm like a wash down the dumpling. Yeah, man, see that? Good old dumpling. So the far side we are bossy. And if you want to take a whole of it and bite it, that's the problem. When the food nice, you just mash it up. So do you like it? Subscribe to the video. Remember to tell a friend, peace and love and more.